Hello trader and good day to you. How is it going? In today's video I'm going to show you how to build up your own expert advisor within 5 to 10 minutes without coding. So let's start the rock and roll. Let's go. So basically, first thing you have to do, you have to go to the web page called FXDreamer, fxdreamer.com. It's Expert Advisor is a web page which offers paid services. I'm not affiliated with them at all, so I just want to show you how to do it. Up to 10 elements on the screen, which you can see over here. You can do it for free. You just register over it. You don't need to pay a penny. And 10 elements, it's pretty enough. I will show you just within a minute how to do that, So let's start, let's go. First thing we have to do over here is to open, here we got a menu on the left hand side. It's different things, conditions, formulas, conditions for indicators, time filters, check trades and order counts and so on. So just for very beginning, for the very simple, the simplest possible robot expert advisor, we do it in such a way. We open check trades and order count. We choose no trade, and with the left click we drag it onto the screen. What does it mean? No trade means that at the moment there is no trade open. Obviously you got different other formulas, we'll do it later on, don't worry. At the moment we got no trade, it means there's no trade open, yeah, so we got it here. Now, if we want to make an expert advisor, if we have to give a condition for that, on what condition we open the trade and when we close it. So, we go to the conditions and formulas over here. We drag the first one, don't drag the second one, it's different. The first one you drag onto the screen and connect it, the orange one with the white, like that. So we know we got no trade condition, and now the condition for the trade is, we open, double click here, we open a dialog box which says that indicator moving average MA period 5 with shift 0 applied to simple as a method of moving average, applied to price close price, is bigger than indicator, again moving average MA period 20 shift 0 method simple applied to close, the same story. So moving average 5 is bigger, the value of moving average 5 is bigger than the value, it means is above. This means moving average 5 is above moving average 20. As soon as we update it, it's done. Now we got condition there is no trade, that moving average 5 is above moving average 20. Such conditions we will buy. So we drag buy now onto the screen, connect orange with white again. Now it's pending order. Just let's delete it. We buy now over here. We buy now. We connect it here. And basically we've got the rubber done for the buy. We just need to set the buying conditions. Here we go. So we double click again on the buy now. And we got here money management, fixed volume. It says what we want to trade. 0.1 lot. We got the lots here. Stop loss, fixed pips 50. Take profit, fixed pips. Let's do it 100. Let's do it doubly. And let's do it to return rate to 2-1. And as soon as we update it, it's done. We got conditions made for buying. Let's do it for the selling. So we drag condition again, Again, we make connection from here to here. Double click on condition. And this time you see this is default settings. So we got indicator moving average 5, simple close price, and 20, simple close price. So this is default. And in this condition we want to sell. We need moving average period 5 to be below moving average period 20. So we have to change it over here. So we got is bigger, is above, is below. This one means crosses above. This one means crosses below. This one means is bigger or equal to, and so on. We'll talk about it in the next video. Let's leave it that moving average 5 is below moving average period 20. We update it, got it done. Oh, we still need, obviously, to say to the algo what it has to do. We drag sell now here. Again, connect both. Double click. Leave it like that. 0.1 on the moment. You can change it to 1 lot, 2 lots, 25 lots. 0.1, mini lot, micro, nano lot, whatever. But as you remember, here we had the value. We are buying fixed pips 50 was stop loss and 100 was take profit. We do the same over here. We got 100 take profit and 50 stop. At the moment we update it and it's done. We got it done. We got the simplest possible robot. And how we save it? We save it in two ways. We can save it straight away as an ex4 file, executable file. So we press over here on ex4, we got left corner, give it a name. Let's call it simplest EA. All right, press enter or click OK, whatever. It's saved already. It should be saved already in the downloads here. Can you see this? We got simplest EA over here saved. So as soon if we want to load it into the expert advisor of our file, we just simply click File, Open Data Folder. We go to MQL4 Experts, and we paste it over here from Downloads and drag it straight away here, like that, and it's here. Simplest EA EX4 is already loaded. Obviously, we have to, in order to see it, we have to right-click here and refresh Navigator window. And can you see we got simplest EA over here? We can try it right now. But it's another way of saving this. Maybe we want, maybe you know something about coding, or you want to look at the code to change something over there. You just MQ4, save it, download again. So it's saved in downloads. Open your terminal, open Mega Editor, which is over here. You just press F4 or click here. Meta language editor will get open. Here we go, we got it open. Now we open the file, we go to download, we got a file MQ4 which is saved. We saved it as MQ4, remember, whatever this name I just left for last try I was doing over there. So that's the random name. Now, as soon as we can go through all the coding over here, so you can see it, who did it. So as default is made Forex Dreamer FX. Obviously you can remove it, whatever. When you get paid version, which costs, I know, $19 per month, I think. I paid it not long time ago. You got it for free, you can sell it, you can make your own expert advisors, you can open your own business building that and selling to the others. So whatever, you can change the code here, you can change the settings from this level. I don't change anything, just want to show you how it works. You just compile it. Compiling, I think it is compiled, and download as you remember, we open MQ4, which was called RSI. Oh, witness. Right, once again, we got downloads over here. So as you remember, we saved this file, our RSI 8 MQ4. We compiled it. After compiling, we got RSI EX as well. So that's the way. And again, you just copy this one, go back and paste that one RSI already here. Let's do it paste. Will ask us we want, yeah, do copy and replay. Perfect. We got already over here in our terminal. We just refresh our terminal and we are ready to go. Just closing it. And that's it at the moment. The simplest way to do your robot. It lasts how much? 5 minutes, 3 minutes? The simplest robot you can do. You can put as many indicators there as you want. You can put different conditions. We'll work further on it in the next video, so if you don't want to miss one of them, please subscribe in the button below, the red one. If you like it, just click like, write a comment what we can do together, making a film and do an expert advisor. If you don't know how to do that, I'm happy to help you, happy to see you progressing in the trading business. That's the way why I'm here. I just want to pay my karma back, because I was also learning from the other traders many years ago. So whenever, if you like this video, just please. And you are welcome next time. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you, and bye-bye.